Today, we are going to be discussing the Cambridge IELTS General Book 15, Test 3, the Writing Task 2. How to write a 2-question essay. In the past, most working people had only one job. However, nowadays, more and more people have more than one job at the same time. What is the reason for this development? And what are the advantages and disadvantages of having more than one job? Now this 40-minute, 250-word essay can be written in 4 paragraphs. In the introduction, describe the topic. In para 1, discuss the reasons for people having more than one job. In para 2, discuss the advantages and disadvantages of working more jobs. And finally, summarize the essay. The following slides will show how this essay can be written. In the introduction, describe the topic. Over the turn of the century, a number of things have changed in the corporate world related to technology, and as a result, most working people are having more than one job. In this essay, I will discuss the reasons for this trend and why this may be advantageous for some but disadvantageous for others. Now in para 1, discuss the reasons for people having more than one job. In the past, the corporate or the industrial worlds were less complex, had fewer functions and fewer job titles and positions. The current times, however, is a time full of multitasking where the functions of executives keep getting redefined as technology improves. This results into most professionals in the current times getting paid far lesser than those in the past, and so they have to work more jobs to fulfill their financial needs. In para 2, discuss the advantages and disadvantages of working more jobs. This situation may, however, be beneficial to those who are technology savvy. This is because if a person is able to understand the direction in which his line of profession is headed towards, he can keep learning the necessary skills to keep up with the times as well as his financial needs by choosing to work more than one job. However, for those who choose not to keep upgrading their knowledge, at some point industry may render their function obsolete and they may be compelled to work more than one job to make ends meet. And finally, summarize the essay. Thus, there are many reasons for why people have to work more than one job in today's times. There are, however, advantages as well as disadvantages to this trend. The next slide will show the entire essay. You can pause to read at your own pace. And as always, thank you very much for watching.